Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today I'm bringing to you a wood pumpkin DIY tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. To start off with, you'll be needing 2 pumpkins. I went ahead and grabbed these from scraps that my husband had left over from one of his wooden projects. And I cut the edges off. What I did intentionally is grab 2 different sizes. So one pumpkin looks a little bit smaller, and then the other one's a little bit taller and slimmer. And then what I did is grab 2 different paints. I used chalk paint in a white and in a gray. And then I went ahead and just painted these. I also attached the tops using some wood glue. And what I used there is just, some little stems that I had previously, gathered and used for my cotton wooden stems. And then also, once these are dry, I went ahead and printed out the signs that I wanted to go on there. And here I show you the 2 different ones that I have. And then I went ahead and printed out the mirror image of both of these. And then all there is left to do is cut them to size to fit my pumpkins. And go ahead and use my Modgepodge to apply these. So once the Mod Podge is dry, and I left this to dry overnight, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of water and a rag and then start peeling off the excess. And then you have to make sure that it's not too wet so that the letter or the ink from the transfer doesn't smear too much. And then once I went ahead and did this and let them to dry, I decided that it was missing something, and so what I did is looked in my stash and took out 2 different glitter types. I have a black and a silver, and with my very thin brush, I'm creating some lines on the edges of my pumpkins with the Mod Podge, and I'm going to go ahead and pour some glitter onto both of these. Now I've completed this step, I'm going to go ahead and seal my glitter and my transferred image with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it dry before I decorate the top. So once these are fully covered and dry, I went ahead and pulled out some raffia, and I do believe that's the correct name for it. And I just grabbed some bunches to wrap around the top. They did end up a little bit wonky or crazy, but I think they gave it a little bit of extra touch, and I went ahead and made sure to add a little bit of hot glue so that they wouldn't come off so easily, and then I went ahead and just trimmed them to size. Alright, so here is our end product. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe. It was very easy and inexpensive to make, and I hope you do your own at home. Please let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this project. Thank you for watching.